mother of all grand coalition, will be and is on course. Serious negotiation will start on Monday. Serious assignment of different letter of intent, agreements, and several parties to come together to form a grand coalition to be known as Azimio One Kenya Alliance, whereby we in OKA, One Kenya Alliance, an intent of starting negotiation with Jubilee Coalition, which comprises of several small parties, and ODM are on advanced stage, and we will be availing OKA presidential candidate on Monday in Nairobi, who will proceed to the next level of the Azimio Grand Coalition for delegates and special delegates to pull together and come up with a candidate for the Grand Coalition and their running mates.